Let's go. Hello? Is the RML loader really that strong? Today we will test its endurance. We will apply impact loads in different formats and see what happens.
The first test is free fall. No cracks, no damage. RML is made for heavy loads. Now let's check if the loader stays in locked to a mag, even under a strong impact. Let's go.
Everything is in place. No gaps, no damage. The mechanism works. Reliability confirmed. Let's also see how the RML loader performs in snow and frost.
Go. It's fire.
Concrete impacts tests frost and snow, and everything works as it should. The RML loader withstands any load. RML is not just a loader, but a durable tool that works in any conditions. Tested in real combat. Order proven quality at rml.com UA.